my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come. When you feel my heat, look into my
Oh, hi there, haven't seen you. Well, today we're gonna talk about the savannah. Well, savannah has an historical importance because it was the human race's birthplace and also because of its abundance of life.
As biotic factor, we have the weather. The weather is the average of day during the winter dry season is cool, but never gets cold. The summer rainy season is humid and very wet. The climate. Savannas are typically warm year-round. What makes it different from a desert is likely greater abundance of vegetation, although these biomes do not receive enough rainfall to be classified as a rainforest. It is not dry enough to be a desert. Savannas are found between the rainforests and deserts. There are two distinct seasons, the wet season and the dry season. Anywhere from 15 to 25 inches of rain falls during the summer. Summers are humid and extremely hot. Winters are very dry, but still warm. The average of temperature is about 70 Fahrenheit. The soil particularly during the dry season, the soil becomes extremely unfertile and many of the small grasses and shrubs die off. Also the water. The water is scarce during the winter dry season. However, in the summer months, water is somewhat plentiful, which allows small shrubs and grasses to thrive. So we know that if some abiotic factor changes, the biotic factors will be affected.
The savanna biome has a wet, dry climate. In the savanna climate, there is a distinct dry season, which is in the winter. Savannas get all the rain in the summer months. During the dry season of a savanna, most of the plants shrivel up and die. Some rivers and streams dry up. Most of the animals migrate to find food. In the wet season, all of the plants are lush and the rivers flow freely. The animals migrate back to graze. In West Africa, the rainy season begins in May.
Some examples of the plants that can be found in the savanna are the Acacia senegal, baobab, Bermuda grass, candelabra tree, elephant grass, gum tree eucalyptus, jackalberry tree, and the jarrah tree. In the savanna, you can find a lot of different types of animals such as the giraffe, the zebra, buffaloes, kangaroos, snakes, worms, lions, leopards, elephants, wild dogs, and hyenas.
This biome is really common along the coast of the Pacific and also along the coastal plain of the Gulf in Veracruz and also in Tabasco.
Water pollution is more or less severe. It is caused by human activities around the area and by the litter industry. Introduction of exotic fish like the black labina in the lake affects the ecological relationships among fish in this community. Black labina has displaced the native blanco fish.
The endangered species in the savanna are the most known animals in this one, which are the elephant, the giraffe, and the hippopotamus.